Going over the number 20 from the Chapter 9, Chapter 10 test, looking at half angle identities. And given in this particular one, we are given tangent of negative pi over 12, which I would think it's best to change this negative pi over 12 to a degree. And in doing so, we obviously multiply 180 over pi, giving us negative 15 degrees. This, of course, means that our half angle is equal to negative 15. So we're going to be multiplying 2 here in green to give us negative 30. So that is the valuation of x. So if we look at the identity, it says sine of x over 1 plus cosine of x. This is the x that we're going to be replacing it with. Now, I know some of you are having trouble with dealing with negative degrees or radians. So in order to remedy that, just simply add 360. So negative 30 and positive 330 are in the same location and they have the same exact sine and cosine values. So now going to your unit circle, we are simply going to replace x with either negative 30 or 330. I have chosen to do 330 here since it's positive. And so we just go to our unit circle and it's what is the sine value at 330? It's negative 1/2. And what is the cosine value at 330 or negative 30? It is the same as root 3 over 2. Now once we have this fraction in blue, we are just simplifying. So in green, I have chosen to multiply the top and the bottom by 2, giving us negative 1 on top. Be sure that you distribute that 2 on the bottom. So 2 times 2 is 2, and 2 times root 3 over 2 is root 3. But we still have a nasty little denominator there, so we are going to have to rationalize that by multiplying by the conjugate, which in red is 2 minus root 3. So we multiply that on top, simply changing the signs to negative 2 plus root 3. We are going to have to FOIL that on the denominator, so that's going to be 4 minus root 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 3. So those are going to cancel there in the middle. And then collecting like terms, we are going to end up with negative 2 plus root 3 on top, and on bottom 4 minus 3, which is 1, and that of course reduces to negative 2 plus root 3. Thank you for playing.